Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Today we have to start workbook of chapter number 2, plants and their systems. Question number 1, state whether the following statements are true or false. Statement number 1, the leaves have holes called stomata to let gases from the air in and out. This is true statement. Statement number 2, guard cells protect a plant from predators. This is false statement. Statement number 3, photosynthesis only takes place on the upper surface of a leaf. This is false statement. Statement number 4, transpiration is the process by which a plant loses water from its leaf into the surrounding air. This is true statement. Statement number 5, flaccid cells give a plant plenty of sport. This is false statement. Question number 2, choose the correct option. Statement number 1, where does growth take place in plants? Option A, at buds only. Option B, at the leaves only. Option C, at the tips of shoots and roots only. Option D, all over the plant. The correct option is C, at the tips of shoots and roots only. Statement number 2, the upper skin of a leaf is thin and transparent so that option A, carbon dioxide gas can get into the leaf. Option B, light can get into the leaf. Option C, oxygen can get out of the leaf. Option D, water can get into the leaf. Correct option is B, light can get into the leaf. Statement number 3, what happens to the sugar made during photosynthesis? Option A, sugar is transported in the phloem down the plant only. Option B, sugar is transported in the phloem up the plant only. C, sugar is transported in the phloem up and down the plant at the same time. Option D, sugar is transported in the phloem up and down the plant but not at all the same time. Correct option is C, sugar is transported in the phloem up and down the plant at the same time. Statement number 4, plants are supported by A, vascular bundles around the outside only. B, vascular bundles in the center only. C, vascular bundles and flaccid cells all over. D, vascular bundles and turgid cells all over. Correct option is D, vascular bundles and turgid cells all over. Statement number 5, why do flowers have colorful petals and smell sweet? Option A, to attract animals. B, to hide pollen. C, to scare away predators. D, to trap insects. Correct option is A, to attract animals. Question number 3, the diagram shows a plant. Part 1, label this diagram using these words: flower, leaves, roots, stem. Beta, these are flowers. This is leaf. This is stem. And these are roots. Part 2, write down the job of each plant part. Flower. Beta, the job of flower is to attract insects for pollination. Leaves, the job of leaf is to make food by photosynthesis. Roots, the job of root is to absorb water and minerals from the soil and to anchor the plant in the soil. Stem, its job is to hold the leaves and flowers above the ground. Question number 4, the diagram shows the inside of a leaf. This is the internal structure of the leaf and we have to label it. From these words, choose the correct label for each of the letters on the diagram. The words are chloroplast, guard cells, leaf tissue, stoma, upper skin, waxy cuticle. Beta, A indicate the waxy cuticle. B indicate the leaf tissue. C indicate the stoma, that is the tiny hole on the underside of the leaf. And D indicate the upper skin. This is the upper skin. E indicate the chloroplast that contain chlorophyll, that is essential for the process of photosynthesis. And F indicate the guard cells. Question number 4, part 2. Which part contains cells which make up food by photosynthesis? The answer is leaf tissue. Part 3. Which part is waterproof layer? The answer is waxy cuticle. Part 4. Which part allows gases to enter and leave the leaf? Answer is stomata. Part 5. Which part contains chlorophyll? Chloroplast contain chlorophyll. Thank you.